Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce shawarma. First, gather your ingredients including boneless chicken, pita bread, and fresh vegetables. We'll start by marinating the chicken with common spices for maximum flavor. Then, we'll quickly cook it to perfection. Next, I'll show you how to whip up a super easy and creamy white sauce that truly elevates the dish. Finally, we'll assemble everything into a delicious wrap. To begin, slice about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken into thin, bite-sized strips. Place the chicken in a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of shawarma spice blend, a pinch of salt, and a dash of olive oil. Mix well to ensure every piece is coated. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes or even longer if you have time. Then, cook the chicken in a hot pan over medium-high heat for 8 to 10 minutes until it's nicely browned and cooked through. Now for the star of the show, our creamy white sauce. In a small bowl, combine 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 1/4 cup of plain yogurt. Next, mince 2 cloves of fresh garlic and add them to the mixture, along with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Season with a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a small amount of dried mint for an authentic touch. Stir everything together until it's smooth and well combined. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious shawarma wraps. Warm your pita bread slightly, either in a pan or microwave to make it soft and pliable. Spread a generous amount of the creamy white sauce onto the pita. Then, add a good portion of your cooked shawarma chicken. Top with your favorite fresh vegetables like shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and sliced cucumbers. Roll it up tightly and enjoy your homemade, easy white sauce shawarma. Don't forget to check the description for the link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.